Hi guys, this is Savella Turner. Happy Thursday, happy Thursday. So today is our September box reveal. So here is the box, Believe in Your Dreams. I'm just gonna turn the box around so you guys can see what is on the box. And on this side, all true, right? All right, guys. So I hope you guys are enjoying your fall. Hope you guys. I should say I hope you guys I hope you guys is enjoying the fall weather. If I can talk. Oh my gosh. All right, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. So the first thing I'm gonna do is take out. Oops, I'm gonna move this over here. Take out the T-shirt subscription stuff. Okay. So the first thing that we have, what do you guys think about the bag? All right. So the first thing that we have, guys, is our Be Obsessed with Your Potential sticker. Okay. Now these stickers are waterproof. All right. And so there you go. That's the first item. The second item I have for you guys is our September affirmation. Now this is super important. And I'm not going to read each one, but I am going to say, I am obsessed with unlocking my full potential every single day. Very, very important, guys, okay? But these are always for sale on the website as well. Excuse me. And so, but this comes with the T-shirt subscription, which is only $30 per month, including shipping. And finally, guys, here is our beautiful, beautiful T-shirt. Okay, now this T-shirt comes in, if I can open it for you guys, let's see here. Here you go. Can you see it? All right, so here's our T-shirt. Very beautiful colors, vibrant. Be obsessed with your potential, with your own potential, and that can mean many different things. Okay, whatever your potential is, whether it be in life and business, with family, school, whatever it is. And the accessories is an extra $10, okay? And with the accessories, you're going to get these beautiful, beautiful earrings here. These are blue because they're going to go with our theme this month, okay? So that is with an extra $10, for an extra $10, sorry. And then, of course, you're going to always get some type of Bible verse or something to go into your box. Each month is different. This one says, "In me, you may have peace. In the world, you will have tribulation, but be part of it," which is always something entrepreneurial, okay? So this is a mug that I created here. Entrepreneur mentality, right? Same thing on the back. So it's double-sided here, black and white and red and white. Okay, I'm going to set that over there. You're going to get a little nice stylish pen, which comes in 4 different colors, okay, that you can use. You're going to get a screen protector. I don't know why I can't talk today, but I can't. Oh, and then you're going to get another pen here. This is a Bible verse here. "The Lord is near to all who call on him." This is Psalm 145 chapter 145 verse 18, okay? And there's a little symbol there if you can see that, okay? All right, so you're going to get that as well. And then you're going to get our business book here, which I don't want to say business book, but it is a business book, but it refers to your dreams. It is a notebook. If you can dream it, you can manifest it. And that is so true, guys. This is the inside page here. You put your name and all of that. And then this is like the inside of the book, okay? And then it's got different little patterns and pictures on the inside there. I don't know if you can see that, okay? And then you put the date at the top, so you can keep track. And then here is our dream catcher. I don't know if you guys are familiar with that, but I know my son, when he was younger, loved dream catchers. So this is really good for you. Whatever your dream is, you can definitely accomplish it. And finally is a card holder, okay? This is what you're going to get in your box. So I'm going to put the box back together and show you guys all of the things that come in the box. And so our box, you get a lot of different items, you know, more than 6 and 7 for sure. Okay. And so, like I say, you can get the whole box, business box bundle for $65 a month. Or you can just buy individual things off the website, okay? But this is our Bible, our Believer's Bible box, okay? So this is a box, here's the top of it, that includes faith, hustle, and we are so blessed. Thank you guys for tuning in, and you have a great rest of your day. Take care.